Mary. Can anyone tell me what is the topic? Simile, right? Anybody, what is simile or what are similes? Anyone heard what before? When you hear simile, what comes to mind? Similar meaning. Similar words. Anybody else? Okay, so I'm going to play a video and give you a little bit information on what simile is, and when we come back, we have this discussion, right?
Okay, so fold your arms and sit back and look at the video. When the video is finished, we're going to have a discussion on what you observed. So you have to listen.
In this video, we are going to learn about similes. Similes are a lot of fun to use. In fact, you probably already use similes, maybe even without realizing it. You might be wondering, what are similes? How could I have used them if I don't even know what they are? Similes are actually a way of comparing two things. We compare things all of the time. Look at this comparison. The baby sleeps like a koala. In this sentence, we are comparing the baby to a koala. What's the comparison? That the baby sleeps like a koala. This is a comparison. Look at this comparison. His sister is as gentle as a lamb. His sister is as gentle as a lamb. The comparison is between his sister and the lamb. And the gentleness is what makes them similar. His sister is as gentle as a lamb. That's a comparison. Let's look at both of our comparisons again. The baby sleeps like a koala, and his sister is as gentle as a lamb. You want to know something interesting about these comparisons? These comparisons are similes. That's right. Both of these sentences are similes. You see, similes are comparisons that use the words like or as. If there's a comparison that uses the words like or as, then you know that that comparison is a simile. Look at this sentence. Learning is as easy as pie. Wow, learning is being compared to having pie. Easy as pie is a very common simile that means easy. Just like it's easy to eat pie, in this sentence, learning is as easy as pie. It's easy to learn. Learning is as easy as pie. This is a simile because it is a comparison using the word as. Remember, similes are comparisons that use the words like or as. Similes are a way of comparing things using the words like or as. Look at this simile. The strawberries are red like roses. The strawberries are red like roses. We know that this is a simile because it is a comparison, and notice the word like. The word like means, if it's a comparison, that it is a simile. The strawberries are being compared to the roses. And what do the strawberries have in common with the roses? Yeah, they're both red. The strawberries are red like the roses. This is a simile. Similes are easy to spot. A simile is a comparison and you're looking for one of two words. You're hunting for the word like or as. If the comparison uses either of these words, you know it's a simile. And what's cool is, now you can use the word like or the word as in your comparisons to make your very own similes. Isn't that awesome? Wow, he is as happy as a clam that he knows what similes are now. Get it? That's a simile because it uses the word as. You know, a comparison that uses the word like or as is a simile. He's as happy as a clam. He's as happy as a homeschool pop viewer, right? You know? He's as happy as Mr. Whiskers, you know? Anyway, we hope you had fun learning about similes, and we hope to catch you next time. In this video, we are going to learn about metaphors. It's a fun word to say, isn't it? Metaphors. You're going to understand.
Okay, welcome back. So, we're going to have a brief discussion on the video that we just looked at. Now, let me ask. I'm going to ask some questions, and you're going to tell me of some of the things that you observed from the video, right? Remember, at first, let's ask what are similes. I want to see who figure it out now from looking at the video. So, who wants to tell me what is a simile? Sandy? Speak up so the entire class can hear.
A simile is two comparisons of two like words.
Two like words. Okay, wonderful. Who else would like to try? Try to speak up to the entire class can hear. Words that give the same meaning. We'll try, but you gotta pay more attention to it, right? Who else would like to try? Yes? Danny, you gotta speak loud so the entire class can hear you, right? Similes are comparing words. Wonderful. Who else would like to try? Using like or as. Wonderful. Daria, you want to try? Who else? Who else? From what you saw in the video, what can you say are similes? Anybody? Come on. Yes, Michaela. When you compare. Alright, everybody is used very good comparing. Anybody else? Did you notice when they talk about comparing words, they use two keywords? Can you remember what was those? Very good. Like or as. Now, when we are comparing something, what is it we are doing?
We're comparing two words.
When you're comparing two words or something to that of another thing, right? For example, what are some of the things that they compare? What are some of the examples they gave in the video? Yes?
Yeah.
But you have to say, what's the comparison? What comparison you use there? Alright, Sid, we'll come back to you. Yes, Daria? Gentle as a lamb. So which word did they use to compare here? As. Very good. As. They use the word as there to compare gentle and a lamb. Right? Anybody else? From what you saw from the video? Yes? The baby sleeps like a koala. Which was the key word they use? Like. Right? So we can say a simile is what now? It's a comparing word using good. So tell me now, what is a simile? Good. And we know that when we are comparing something, it must be how many things? Can you compare one thing? No. Good. What are some other examples that they gave in the video that you remember? I would like to hear from some. Let me hear from you. Start. The strawberries are red as roses. Right? What's the key word there they use to compare them? Now what is it they're comparing there? A strawberry and a go. They're comparing the strawberry to the rose, right? What else? Let's go back to the baby sleeps like a koala. What's the comparing words there? What is it they're comparing? The baby to that of a baby sleeps. I want to hear from you what you have to say. Come up with your own simile using like or as comparing something to that of another. Who wants to try? Put your hands up. I'm going to call you. Let me hear from Deborah. Now, what is it she's comparing here? She runs fast because we know that the teacher runs fast, right? Who else? Oh, I'm pointing you out. Let me hear from Michaela. He is brave as a lion. What is it she's comparing there? Brave, right? Bold as a lion, like a lion today. From here. She is a good swimmer. Is that sentence comparing? Remember, you have to use the keywords. So what are the keywords? Good. Who else? Let me hear from you, Joya. She is smart as a pup. What is it she's comparing here? Wonderful. Smart as a pup, right? Let me hear from you. Anything? Think about something. Let me hear from Ashley. No, you have to speak up. She's together. Okay. Good. So, now that we know what are simile again, I want to hear from you. What is a simile? Let us read what good. So a simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things using like or as. So whenever we reach that word simile, the first two words or the first three words that should come to our mind should be one, compare, two, like using like or as. Right? So those are the key words you must remember to define what is simile. Right? Now, for example, we have some here on the board. As cool as a cucumber. As playful as a my arm is as busy as a bee. Right? So we have a few examples here. Now, your task is This group here, you have your task. This is group A. The greatest group of these two pieces, group B and group C. Right? So this is going to give you the task now. So you have to listen. Come on. So what you have to do. Two pieces, group B and group C. Right? So this is going to give you the task now. So you have to listen. Come on. So what you have to do. Let's do the first one. He was as quiet as so you have to think of something to finish that sentence or the simile. Now at the bottom of that page, in the box, in the direction, pick the best word from the box. The first one, something. Let's read the words that are in the box. Again, everybody have to do. You know what I'm saying? Complete each simile answering the first one here says she was as quiet as something. You have to come up with something to compare. She was as quiet as what, right? And here you're choosing the words from here as they turn out. So keep them warm and as soft as a something. Choose a word from here to these answers are coming here. You're coming up with your own name. And these answers, these words in the box is going to be one on the bottom. Here. Yes, the answers could vary. So you just think of what you want to compare Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Out. Down. That was the task. Good, right? Now, let's reflect on what you are doing. What is it you're looking at? And close your eyes. What are singing class? Using light or eyes. So what is the key word you have to remember? Next word? Here. Now, when we are comparing words, what is it you have to do? Comparing two things gives a real class. Comparing two things gives a real one. Everyday speaker, everyday we talk like this, right? Good. So one, so again, one more time. Okay. Wonderful. Give him a clap. Good. So, comes back in the class. Wonderful.